If when you're walking backwards it hurts because you're injured, it will be uncomfortable in the beginning. But when you do it well, it's going to help you get out of pain, because as you walk backwards, it's not going to increase your pain while doing it. And when you're done, you'll feel a little better each time. That's how you know you're doing it right. Standing tall doesn't mean the superhero. Ribs up? No. You want your ribs down and then try to be tall from here and here. The back of your neck should be longer than the front of your neck. One hand on something for balance, whether it's a wall or a rail. Here's why. If I talk to you with one foot on the ground, at some point, I'm gonna have to check my balance. If I have even just a finger, I don't have to worry about my balance once, because that mind-body connection, the proprioceptive loop, is closed. The brain knows I have contact. I don't have to work for balance. Hand across the glutes. This is below your tailbone, not at your waist, not here, here. And that's so that you can feel the glute pop on when you reach back with your knee to take your step. I'm gonna reach back with my knee. What's that look like? I'm tall. I'm literally just pulling my knee back, and I feel that glute turn on. Once I feel the glute turn on, I load my right, and then I reach back with my left. Feel that glute turn on, and go. That is how it's gonna look. If I film this and reverse it, it should look like I'm walking forward pretty smoothly. If it hurts while you're doing it, you're either gonna shorten your step, or you're gonna decrease the time you're doing it, so you can build the capacity up. But the rule is, if you can walk forward, you can walk backwards.